Sheer, unadulterated power. That's what the Dell Precision 5690 delivers. This beast of a laptop is armed with an Intel Core Ultra 9 185H processor, NVIDIA RTX 5000 8th generation laptop GPU, and a stunning UHD OLED display. It's built for engineers, data scientists, medical professionals, and high-level content creators. And yes, you can even game on it, making it one of the best 16-inch laptops out there. You get stellar performance from its Intel Core Ultra 9 processor and NVIDIA RTX 5000 GPU, but that's just the beginning. Dell offers extensive security features, and if you need massive storage, you can max it out to 8 TB. Of course, that comes at a hefty price. The biggest drawback? Not enough ports. If your employer isn't covering the cost, the base model starts at $2,290 with an Intel Core Ultra 5 processor, 16 GB of RAM, and 256 GB SSD. But the fully loaded version? That'll set you back a jaw-dropping $9,230, packing 64 GB RAM, 8 TB SSD storage, and a smart card reader. The Precision 5690 shares its premium aesthetics with Dell's XPS line. With the Titan gray anodized aluminum chassis, 75% of which is recycled, it's stylish, durable, and weighs just 4.5 pounds, lighter than some competitors, but heavier than others. For a workstation, it's a bit lacking in ports, just a USB-C, 2 Thunderbolt 4 ports, HDMI 2.1, a smart card reader, and a headset jack. However, it makes up for it with security, a fingerprint scanner, TPM chip, Windows Hello facial recognition, and Intel V Pro for remote management. The 16-inch 3840 by 2400 OLED touchscreen is bursting with color. With 100% sRGB and DCI P3 accuracy and 629 nits of brightness, it's a dream for creatives. Dell's premium color software lets you fine-tune colors to your preference. The only downside, no stylus included, which means smudges are inevitable. The quad speaker setup delivers powerful, immersive sound. However, the 1080p webcam is disappointing, struggling with color accuracy and visual noise. On the bright side, the keyboard is spill-proof and offers a comfortable typing experience, while the haptic touchback is smooth but benefits from an external mouse. To push this workstation to its limits, we opened 90 Chrome tabs, edited a 4K video in DaVinci Studio, and ran multiple high-intensity applications simultaneously without a hitch. Benchmark tests showed the Precision 5690 outperformed competitors like the HP ZBook Studio G10 and Lenovo ThinkPad Z16, though the MacBook Pro M3 Max still leads in some areas. While not a gaming laptop, it handles AAA titles like Cyberpunk 2077 at ultra settings with DLSS enabled, managing 45 FPS. Battery life is equally impressive, lasting nearly 11 hours on performance mode with 200 nits of brightness, far outlasting most gaming laptops. The Dell Precision 5690 is an absolute powerhouse. Whether you're designing the next architectural marvel, developing AAA games, or tackling high-level data analysis, this laptop will handle it all. Its stunning display, top-tier performance, and security features make it one of the best workstations of the year. However, its high price and limited ports are notable drawbacks. But if you're looking for pure performance, the Precision 5690 is worth every penny. And that's it for this review. Let us know your thoughts in the comments. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech insights.